Ainsley, you want your rings? Are you posing for Mom?
She is.
Ainsley, you want your rings? They're right here. They're right here.
Put them in her right hand and give it a little tug, and that usually makes her want to do it. I say usually in the last 5 minutes.
You want to come over here?
Nope.
She wants to show off for Mom. Okay, there you go. You take it.
Almost. That was good. She's like, wait a minute. Now that I'm here, push her over.
I don't need to push her over.
Look at her go.
I'm not turning her over. As soon as she grabs my finger, she just kicks.
I know, it's like she just needs the power of suggestion. Well, now you're just switching tricks.